Now that you have walked all this way just to find the ancient pathway which leads away from, or was it toward, the place where I scratched away the dark layer of a rock surface? And now that you, traveler, will take the steps 2 by 2, don't slip. It's been a journey, hasn't it, to walk all this way through the city into the country on a little used trail, climbing over basalt cliffs, through and beyond the far side of a shallow wash, down into a valley overgrown with cholla and saguaro. Now that you can finally rest, the bones of both feet hurt, your mouth is dry, and now you know what has become of a mark etched on the wall, a canyon echo rising up to greet you. Hello, hello.